Good morning. I am in Costa Rica. Creating my life from this beautiful country. This is my view. This is what I get to see every single day when I wake up. And I'm going to share with you today the power of being a digital nomad so you can create the life that truly works for you and live life in a way that works for you where you are free. Y'all, this is incredible. Day in the life of a digital nomad. For me, it looks like starting my day with intention. Y'all, I never used to like what I used to do, always rushing, stressed out. Now I'm intentional. I give thanks for everything that I have and start my day in nature. We're in the middle of nowhere here in Costa Rica. Get to enjoy these beautiful views before I start my day doing work that I love, not work that I'm forced to do, work that I hate, but work that I love to do. The question I often get is, how can I create the money that I require to live life on my own terms? So I'm gonna give y'all the secret to this, the secret recipe. And the secret recipe, it's no secret. The secret is you. You have to take your ideas out of your head and start getting paid for them. I've worked in corporate America, learned so many skills, grateful for my experience. And I have been able to take what the knowledge, the skills that I have received, get paid for those, also get paid for things that I absolutely love. Things that I love to do on my day to day that people say I'm good at, all of that. I'm getting paid for that. The secret is taking your ideas, finding the people that will pay you for those ideas and getting paid, and then being able to live your life in a way that truly works for you. The gift of being a digital nomad is you can work from anywhere in the world. Good morning, y'all. I'm out here with my coffee. I haven't combed my hair yet, just got up, but wanted to enjoy the view, the birds. Those are birds that y'all hear. Love the sounds of Costa Rica. And as a digital nomad, you get to pick when you start your day, what you're doing. You get to play, you get to work, you get to do all of those things. It's one of the most beautiful ways to create your life. Another thing is that people think that to live the life of your dreams, you have to be a millionaire. You don't have to be a millionaire to live life in a way that works for you. We've just been programmed to think that we have to be that so we can stay stuck. When it comes to being a digital nomad, the thing that you have to remember is you're choosing a different lifestyle from 80% of the people around you. And when you make a different choice, when you live differently from other people, people are going to judge you. So the people that are going to judge you are coming. And that's one of the things that stops people from living their life is they allow other people to penetrate their mind with doubt, telling them you can't live this kind of lifestyle, you'll be broke, you cannot create a life that works for you, you have to work for this specific company or person in order to create your life. For some people that works, for other people that may not work. So when those people come, be prepared because they are coming, y'all. They are coming. You have to stand firm in your ability to create, whether it's also stand firm in your faith as well, because someone can put doubt in you and cause you to stop pursuing your dreams. This life is truly possible. It is. But you have to be able to, put in the work. Now, when I say work, I'm talking about creating with ease. I'm not like blood, sweat, and tears, because I've done it the other way around and it ain't worth it. You have to be willing to put in the mental work as well. And kind of like a horse with blinders, you have to have that kind of vision when you're creating your life and moving towards this lifestyle that will pay you over and over and over again.